Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is really interesting and I think it's something that many of you will find interesting and informative. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to online classes. Today we are discussing reaction between metals and acid. Let us discuss reaction between metals and acids. Metals on reacting with acids forms salt and releases hydrogen gas. I repeat, metals on reacting with acids forms salt and releases hydrogen gas. The general reaction for this activity is metals plus acids gives salt and releases hydrogen gas. For example, metal we are taking as zinc. Zinc is silver in color. The color of zinc granules is silver in color. This zinc on reacting with HCl hydrochloric acid. Zinc on reacting with hydrochloric acid forms zinc chloride ZnCl2 and releases hydrogen gas. Here HCl is, I repeat, HCl is hydrochloric acid, which is an acid. So when we test this by using a conical flask, what I am doing, I will take a conical flask. In conical flask, I will take the silver color zinc, say 2 to 5 grams of zinc granules in conical flask. To this I will add hydrochloric acid. So what happens? Already I said to you that the color of zinc is silver color. When we add HCl in zinc, the reaction will take place. And the silver color of zinc changes to black color due to the formation of zinc chloride. The silver color of zinc will change to black color due to the formation of zinc chloride and releases hydrogen gas. This H2 gas we will take in balloon. So what I do, I invert an empty balloon on the conical flask, so we can see that the balloon will be inflated. Means the balloon will contains now hydrogen gas. Let us perform the activity. Now I have taken a balloon. This balloon contains hydrogen gas. Let us test this gas with a burning flame. When we bring a burning flame nearby this gas, what happens? The burning flame will put off by giving pop sound, which indicates that the gas which is releasing when metals are reacting with acid is hydrogen gas. So I am bringing, you have seen that a burning flame is burst with pop sound. This indicates that the gas is hydrogen gas. That's it.